Gray hair is a natural part of aging, but many people seek ways to keep their hair healthy, strong, and youthful. There are numerous natural remedies that can help revitalize hair and slow down the graying process. One effective method is the use of potato peels. Rich in essential nutrients, potato peels help strengthen hair strands and restore shine. To create a nourishing hair rinse, potato peels are boiled in water, then strained to extract their beneficial compounds. The resulting liquid can be applied to the hair after washing to enhance its health naturally. For a deeper treatment, a hair mask can be made using mashed potatoes combined with egg yolk, olive oil, and honey. This blend deeply nourishes the scalp, providing hydration and strengthening the hair follicles. Applying the mask once or twice a week and leaving it on for 10-15 minutes before rinsing can improve hair texture and resilience. Aloe vera is another powerful natural remedy that supports scalp health by regulating its pH balance and stimulating hair growth. Aloe vera gel, when mixed with rosemary sprigs and olive oil, can create a revitalizing hair oil. Applying this mixture once a week can strengthen the hair, add moisture, and even enhance its natural color by making it appear darker over time. Rosemary tea is also an excellent option for maintaining hair health. By steeping rosemary sprigs in hot water, a natural hair rinse can be created. Once cooled, this infusion can be poured over the scalp to stimulate blood circulation, strengthen hair strands, and encourage new growth. Cornstarch, banana oil, and seaweed clay make a potent hair and skin mask. This combination replenishes lost minerals, hydrates the scalp, and supports hair growth. Regular application of this nutrient-rich mask contributes to maintaining the overall health and vitality of hair. Lemon juice can serve as a protective spray. By filling a spray bottle with fresh lemon juice and applying it to the scalp and hair, excess oil is controlled, and the hair cuticles are smoothed, reducing frizz and breakage. Additionally, aloe vera gel can be used as a daily leave-in conditioner to keep both the hair and skin moisturized. Maintaining healthy hair involves more than just external treatments. A balanced diet filled with essential vitamins and minerals plays a crucial role in hair health. Foods rich in biotin, vitamin E, omega-3 fatty acids, and iron support strong and youthful-looking hair. Staying hydrated and avoiding excessive heat styling further ensures hair remains vibrant and less prone to damage. Consistently incorporating these natural remedies into a hair care routine helps slow down the aging process of hair. Regular use of nourishing treatments, along with a healthy lifestyle, keeps hair strong, lustrous, and full of life. Taking a holistic approach to hair care ensures long-lasting results, preserving the natural beauty of hair as the years go by.